Morning everybody. Looking on the food truck today, yeah. So I'm gonna do today on the menu is gonna be jerk chicken, oxtail. Today's gonna be like 95 degree almost, you know, almost 100, feel like 100 probably. So I'm just toning down the menu a little bit. So today I'm gonna cook jerk chicken, oxtail, curry chicken, brown stew chicken. We're gonna have some curry shrimp and maybe a few rasta pasta, you know, but that's it. And some wings, beef patty and cocoa bread. But you guys, so oxtail is completed. Alright, look at that. Half the bone, you know. Yeah, man, you can see right now, see it? Look at that. See that fall apart. We don't cook jerk oxtail, so this is the first thing that's finished. Take about an hour to cook, so yeah, man, we gotta get ready for the day. Alright? Hey guys, so this is the third menu item that's done. Complete this one. This is curry chicken. You see it yellow and nice. My gosh. Pretty. I tell you, say well seasoned. You can see everything in the whole works. Carrot. Sweet pepper / bell pepper, whatever you call it. You know. So we have the pimento seed right here. We have the Irish potato. Oh dear. Yeah man, straight country cooking we are give them. Yeah man, look on the gravy. Thick, good with some white rice. Yeah man, this is the third thing that's finished. Alright? Step by step, man. Step by step. Yeah, we are getting ready. Hopefully we have a good day today. Yeah man, bless. You see that? Rice and peas ready. Yeah man. No float man, no float. Real thing. So when you cook it from the pot, you transfer it over your side of the warmer. So this keep it warm all day. Right? Keep temperature up all day. So we have to take it from here, so we have put it inside here. Yeah man. Hopefully we have a good day as I said today. Yeah man. Alright. It's almost done. Good jerk forward. You on him?
Yeah, dog.
Now what? Last night he moved.
Around 7:30. I can't leave it the time I do it.
Oh, around 7:30.
Yeah, and
Okay.
you know them something, man.
Yeah, man. Good mac and cheese. Good mac and cheese. Our brown stew mix. Yeah man. Jerk chicken and brown stew we have some mix up. Yeah man. Show the people where we are going with good mac and cheese. Everything we highlight today. I one day I go back in the oven, but that one already. Yeah man. This one is half and half. 2 meats. You have curry chicken, mac and cheese, rice and peas, plantain, oxtail, of course. 2 meats. Come on, there. And these are the signature wings. Yeah, man, signature wings. This one, everything gets some more light on it. Too bright. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, a signature wings. This man. I didn't want no barbecue wings anymore. Jerk. Jerk. This is just fried with jerk sauce, but you know. Jerk as it's smooth. Yeah. Oh, serve a couple of customers already and we still are going. Yeah, we're there until 4 o'clock, alright? Yeah. Yeah, so this is the curry shrimp. Curry shrimp and mac and cheese. Solid plate. Freshly cooked shrimp. Solid plate, solid. There you go. Yeah guys, so we are left off for the location now, but check the degrees. Yeah man. Very hot, very hot, very hot, may I tell you. But all in all, it was a good day still. Give thanks to everybody, alright? Yeah man, and make sure if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. One of the best Jamaican food in the DMV area, right? Yeah man, trust me, hands down. As you can see. Yeah man, give thanks until next time, yeah?